Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about one of the most underrated crypto token. So as you can see right now I am on Trust Wallet and the token that we are going to talk about is Trust Wallet token. So if we go down over here, so one Trust Wallet token is close to 60 cents right now. And if we go into charts and just check the utility of this token. So as you can see, we have gone in Binance research. So Trust Wallet is a crypto wallet that allows user to buy, store, exchange, and earn crypto. So I'm sure you guys must be already using Trust Wallet because there are only majorly two popular wallets. One is Trust Wallet and the other is MetaMask. So Trust Wallet token is a native token of Trust Wallet and it's available on BEP20 and BEP2. So this BEP is nothing but Binance Smart Chain tokens. And as you can see, Trust Wallet currently supports 40 blockchains and 160 plus different crypto assets. And it also supports staking on Cosmos, Tezos, Kava, and few other blockchains. So, guys, you should note that in future there would be more utility for this Trust Wallet token because they would be adding a feature called as Trust Wallet Earn, where you will be able to buy different crypto tokens at a lower price, and you can also stake Trust Wallet tokens to earn a higher return with other cryptos. And in addition, Trust Wallet provides an easy way to store and access all your crypto collectibles, and you can also like collect NFTs on Trust Wallet. So I will be preparing a different video for it as to how you can earn free NFTs. So as you can see, Trust Wallet has the following use cases. First is the governance, participate in decision making, adding new blockchain support, tokens, and product features. And the second one, which I already talked about, is discount, receive discounts on in app crypto purchases and using DEX services. So this is currently old data. As you can see, as of January 27, 2021, the total supply of this token is close to 1 billion and 34.7% is under circulation. So if we go back and just check the current circulating supply. So now it's close to 288 million out of the total supply. And if you go in BSC scan, you can check about this token. So in future, the utility of this token might increase, and this token has a huge potential of growing up in the future. So you can expect decent returns out of this token. Also, I would suggest is like do your own research before investing into any crypto because crypto market is very volatile. And in case if you have any doubts or questions, please feel free to leave a comment. And hope you guys like my video. Thank you for watching.